Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the topic of DC motor starter. In this video, the main table content are function of the starter, necessity of the starter, DC motor starter types. In this type, 3-point starter and 4-point starter. The main function of the starter is to start or stop the motor. The device which is used to start the DC motor is called starter. The function of the starter is to limit the starting high current in the safe value. Limit in rush the current where necessity. Next point is permit the automatic control when is required. Protect the motor and other connected equipment from over voltage, no voltage, under voltage, single phasing, etc. The necessity of the starter. In the case of a DC motor, the back EMF developed by directly proportional to the speed, because we know that the E is equal to P5 NZ into 60 into N. When the motor is at rest, the speed of the motor is 0. Hence the back EMF E will be 0. So if the DC motor is connected directly to the supply mains, it will draw the large current. The current drawn by the armature becomes, the formula is I is equal to V upon Rf. The resistance of the armature winding Ra is very small, such as the current flowing in the armature winding under starting condition becomes quite large. The starting current may be 5 to 7 times that of a full load current. The starting current drawn by the DC motor can be limited the safe value either by using starter or by inserting the variable rheostat in series with the armature. The starter is used only for short duration 5 to 10 seconds, which limit the starting high current to the safe value. Very small DC motor may be started directly from the supply lines because there are following reasons. The main reasons are relatively high armature resistance compared to the large motor and low mounted inertia. Generally, the starter are divided in DC motor starter or AC motor starter. In this video, we discuss only DC motor starter. The DC motor starter are divided in 3-point starter or 4-point starter, while the AC motor starter are DOL starter, star delta starter, and auto transformer starter. The DC motor starter 3-point and 4-point. Here is the figure of 3-point starter. In this diagram, the DC motor starter consists the graded starting resistance Rs, which is connected in series with armature, two protective devices, namely no volt and overload, release the starting arm and bases the arc segment S. Generally, the three terminals of the starter L, F and A are brought out, which are connected to the positive line terminal, shunt field and armature terminal of the motor respectively. For the starting motor, the DC supply is switched on by closing the main switch, and then the starting arm is slowly moved to right clockwise direction. As soon as the starting arm makes connect with the stud 1 and brass arc segment S, wall of the starting resistance Rs is inserted in series with armature, and at the same time the field circuit is directly connected across the supply through the brass arc segment S, and holding coil NVC is also energized. Therefore, the current drawn by the armature at this instant will be, the formula is IA is equal to V upon RA plus RS, where the RS is equal to starting resistance. As the starting arm is further moved, the starting resistance RS is gradually cut out, and when the arm reaches to run position, the entire starting resistance is cut out. No volt and overload release coil are protective devices to prevent in the starter. Now, in the no volt release coil or hold on coil in detail. The main function of the no volt release coil are to attract the handle of the starter and keep it on the position. The no volt coil consists of a thin wire of many turns and it connected in series with the shunt field winding of the motor. This coil is generated when the current flows through the shunt field winding. It releases the handle and goes to off position by spring tension due to failure of supply and disconnect the motor from the supply. The next main point is overload release coil, OLC. The main function is to demagnetize the no volt coil in the case of a fault or overload of the machine. It consists of a few turns of a thick wire and is connected in series to armature. This coil is magnetized when exclusive current flows through the armature due to overload or some fault. When this coil is magnetized, it attracts the tripping plunger C, which short-circuited to the terminal of the no volt coil. The no volt release will be demagnetized and release the starting arm, which will come to the off position due to the spring tension and thus the motor stop. Now we discuss the 4-point starter. The speed of the DC motor can be controlled by connecting the rheostat in series with field. The motor speed can be increased by decreasing the flux. The flux can be decreased by increasing the resistance of the field rheostat. Hence, the field current is reduced and so the current through the hold-on coil NVC coil will also reduce. Therefore, it is unable to create enough electromagnetic pull to overcome the springing tension. Hence, the starting arm is pulled back to the off position, thus the disconnecting the motor from the supply. Therefore, the 3-point is not suitable for the variable speed DC motor. In this figure, show the wiring diagram of 4-point starter which is connected to the long shunt compound motor. In this starter, the hold-on coil is connected directly through the line to the protective resistance. When the starting arm touches to number 1, line current divides in 3 parts. First is, one part passes through the starting resistance RS series field armature. The second part passes through the shunt field winding. And third point is, the current passes through the NVC and protecting resistance small r. Since which the arrangement hold on circuit is independent of the shunt field circuit. Therefore, it will not be affected by changes of the current in shunt field circuit. It means that electromagnetic pull exerted by the NVC will always be sufficient and will prevent the springing from restoring and starting arm of the off position. The possibility of the accidentally opening the field circuit is quite remote. Hence, the generator acceptance of the 4-point starter over the 3-point starter.